Assalamualaikum, dear student. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start the reading of class 3 science. Unit number 1, animals with backbone. There are many kinds of animals with a backbone in the world. Scientists divide these animals into 5 groups. Mammals. Mammals have hair on their bodies. Mammals give birth to their babies. Young mammals feed on milk from their mothers. All mammals have a bony skeletons. Humans are also mammals. Horse, goat, deer. Dolphins and whales are also mammals. They live in water. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Birds. Birds are the animals that have feathers on their bodies. Most of the birds are flying animals. A bird has feathers, a beak, 2 wings, and claws. Birds have hollow bones. It makes their bodies very light. Birds lay eggs. Birds fly with their wings. Birds are very beautiful. Eagle. Eagle has feathers, wings, beak, claws. Owl, parrot, sparrow. Reptiles. The animals which have dry, scaly skin and lay eggs are called reptiles. Most reptiles have 4 limbs, but snakes do not. Snakes, crocodiles, turtles, tortoise, and lizards are reptiles. Lizard, snake, crocodile. Tortoise and turtles can live on land as well as in water. Turtles spend nearly all their lives in the sea. Amphibians. Amphibians can live on land as well as in water. Most amphibians have wet and smooth skin. Amphibians lay eggs. Toads, salamander, and frogs are amphibians. Frog, toad, salamander. Fish. Fish live in water. Every fish has gills, fins, and a tail. They use gills to take in air from water. They use fins and a tail to move about in water. Most fish have scales on their skin and lay eggs. Scales, gill, fin, tail. A baby fish is called a fry. A group of fish is called school. Okay, dear student, now we done our exercise. Fill in the circle of the correct option. These animals have hair on their bodies. Mammals. Snake, crocodiles, and lizards belongs to reptiles. Amphibians live on land as well as in water. The baby of which animal is called fry? A fish. Birds are birds only because of their feathers. Salamander belongs to amphibians. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Name the 5 group of animals with the backbone. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals. Write 3 features of mammals. Mammals have hair on their skin. Most mammals give birth to their babies. Mammals feed their babies on milk. Give 4 examples of reptiles. Snake, lizards, tortoise, and alligator are reptiles. How do fish take in air from water? Fish use gills to take in air from water. Write features and example of amphibians. Amphibians can live in water and on land. They have wet and smooth skin. Example: frog, toad, and salamander. Write parts of the body that make birds different from other animals. Answer: beaks, feather, wings, and hollow bones. Now students, there are the answer of the fill in the blanks. Dolphins are mammals. Dolphins are mammals. A snake has no legs. A snake has no legs. Gills are present in fish. Birds have hollow bones. Salamander, frogs, and toads are amphibians.